Sanmanani and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, please be sure to show our community some love and support. It's a new year, Gazi. I'm late to this conversation, but people are still talking, guys. The streets nje are still hot nje and heavy about Umselego and his wives. And Namike, I do have a few things that I want to get off my chest before we move on. I also have some predictions for this new season. Yeah, guys, we have been waiting for this season. I don't know what we expected, guys, but I feel like the start is so chaotic. And it only tells me as we go into Lama episodes, it's only gonna get messier and more chaotic. And I hope, guys, we are ready. Hey, guys, can we not take this whole thing seriously? Because, guys, it's only a reality show. I can only assume because we only speak on these episodes based on 30 minutes worth of content, 1 hour worth of content. We don't know these people. We don't know what's happening behind the scenes. So let's bear that in mind and try not to be disrespectful, guys. I know it's tempting, especially when you are triggered, because at the end of it, it is Umjolo, and guys, in Umjolo a pandemic. But first things first, the houses. They look so good. Guys. I don't wanna lie. This is like a step forward for Umselego, even though his actions show and the issues seem like issues are dala, but the fact that the wives have their houses now. Yabona, guys, if they had started like this, I think 90% of inkinga zabo would not have, materialized. Umuntu ngabe uyihlalele emzini wakhe enakela ingane zakhe indoda efika ngaleso sikhathi efika ngaso, because guys, we can't be sharing indoda and also share our space as well. Yabo, this bound to be lokho kuhilizisana lokho and nongahlalisani kahle. So I really commend him as indoda yesithembu, because even though it seems like uyawuhlukanisa umndeni wakhe by supporting idea ukuthi ama-wives abe nemizi yabo, I feel like this is the first step towards resolution and unity of his family. I think it just depends on whether each of the wives are mature enough to come together and whether or not Umselego is ready to make amends with each wife, because he is the common denominator, and at the end of the day, uyena odravayo lo mndeni ukuthi ungazwani because of his selfish decisions and thinking. Hi Kesanas, without wasting any more of your time, let's check out some of the views that you guys have had after watching episode 1 and 2 of season 9 with Handonis Tembu, and then I'll give my opinion, Kesanas, as we read the comments. The first comment is from Upinki. Uthi isithembu sikaMselego is weird. Ingane yentombazane izalela ukusindisa umuzi kanjani. On the other hand, usola usine ngokumitha njalo. Aphenduleke uLondiwe athi ewukhulisa kanjani ngempela umuzi wakaMselego ezozalisa omunye umfana ngoba phela uyintombazane. Mekhulisa umuzi wakubo kushuthi kumele kube kanjani. Cha, nami ngididekile, ngiphelile shwele lo baba. This was such an interesting point of contention, because a lot of people jumped the gun, thought the worst of Umselego. Ekubeni, deep down we all knew that's not what he meant, guys. As indoda yomzulu nje, I think we all knew he just wants Umpilo ukuthi abe neyingane. Number one, it's a weird conversation to have with your daughter as a father, because in most cases it's a conversation that happens between umama nengane yakhe intombazane. They would say, hey, mina sengifuna ukuba ugogo, have ama grandkids, ngiyaguga. But a father to have this kind of conversation is a bit strange, kancane. Secondly, if Umselego had not had a problem with Usne having kids out of wedlock and saying ukuthi ingane leza izele akuzoneza Umselego, if he had not done all of that, mhlambe ngabe sibuka differently. But the fact that he did say that, and now he's having this double standard just because Umpilo and nanokuthi he wants to ukufeza this goal of his, whatever this goal he has ngomuzi kaMakhumalo? Does it mean uMpilo kumele athole umfana wakaMseleku ozomithisa? Or does it mean just any guy? Another thing, uke wambuza nje uMpilo ukuthi does she want to have kids? Uyayibona eshada? It's one thing ngempela to ask ingane zakho for abazukulu and all of that, but also ubabuze nabo ukuthi what do they want in life, instead of just thinking selfishly. At the same time, as much as sizokhulumela uMpilo sikhulumele noMakhumalo in their thinking and, you know, supporting them as women, I also want to think ukuthi okay, yena umsele kuyithathela phi yonke lento le asuke ecabanga. And ekugcineni kwayo yonke lento le, he is a traditional Zulu man at that. And looking at the process ye-IVF, guys, the reason he said no to it was the fact that he goes against my beliefs. And yes, it goes against my beliefs because we are telling this man to go inside a room, please, and then bathathe lelo bodlela and benzeke i-IVF. Ngempela, if mawuzoyibheka kanjalo, I don't know how else to put it, but if uzoyibheka kanjalo ngempela, it does seem like that's a lot to do, yeah, but that's a lot to ask. And keep in mind ukuthi uMakhumalo is not the only wife uMseleku has, so he's not desperate to have kids. He already has kids. He already knows ukuthi he can have kids, so ayikho leyo pressure of to resort to IVF. Uthi-ke uNomuhle, why do I feel like lo baba uthi kuMpilo it's payback time now? Ukukhulisile now sekumele manje umsize. Uyazi inhlelo zalengane njengoba yena esefuna azale. Hayibo, even uMakhe uzohlanya ngento eshiwo ilona. Yo guys, people have strong opinions ngalento le, and yeah, it is extreme ngempela. Uthini yena uMakhumalo about this whole thing? The fact that he's going straight to uMpilo says a lot. There is literally little to no communication between him and uMakhumalo, and the way he's making decisions ngoMakhumalo, it's as if she doesn't matter. Nanokuthi nje khombisa khona ukuthi nje like akamthandi as much as naye uMakhumalo thought he did. It's just all about him. But Mina, honestly, I think uMakhumalo is over the IVF thing, because guys, remember, uMakhumalo had a conversation naye uMseleku where he apologized for taking number 5 uhlala ngakubo, and in that apology he said that he's willing to do the IVF to show how remorseful he is. But now this conversation yakhe uMseleku noMpilo shows ukuthi clearly the IVF thing was not on the table to begin with. It was just a ploy yokuthi accept apology yakhe so that azongena number 5 mase yaqhubeka ke impilo engathi akwenzekanga lutho. Because why now, just because uMpilo unqabile ukuba nengane, he's now throwing in the towel? Ekubeni isamile le ndaba ye-IVF. But mina, I just hope nje uMakhumalo is no more obsessed with having ingane. I hope she's just, accepting the situation as it is and just living her best life now. uMahadebe uthi y'all, and conclusions avenidina. uMseleku is asking uMpilo to have his grandchild so that umuzi kaMakhumalo uzoba nengane. Akathi uMpilo akamithele yena, no, akamithiswe yi-boyfriend yakhe. Lo ngane will then vusa umuzi kaMakhumalo. Kubalekela ukuthi umuzi kaMakhumalo ungagcini uthathwa ingane zosisi bakhe, rather kube umzukulu wakaMseleku. And I honestly get that. The fact that nje ngoba ekwisithembu nje uMakhumalo, guys, it's important to understand ukuthi she is in a marriage with community of property. So I think kungaba nzima if it were to happen ukuthi umndeni wakaKhumalo decides to take umuzi kaMakhumalo. It would be very difficult. Mhlambe bengagcina bewinile for some reason angazi, but I feel like they would have a really, really difficult time. Goba basically, whether she's the one who's renovating the house, building the house, essentially the house is still owaMseleku 40, so they have no claim. I think Jemina, whoever is worried about who's gonna take over umuzi wa Makhumalo is just panicking for nothing, because I think naye uMakhumalo understands ukuthi like the house is open to anyone, wakamseleku, ingane zakamseleku, osine, ukuthi ibona nje abangazwani. And futhi if sizobheka umuzi kaMakhumalo, then we must look at the other houses as well. Like, does it mean ukuthi if we saying ukuthi umuzi kaKhumalo ungathathwa umndeni wakhe, does it mean nowamayeni naye, should anything happen, umuzi will go to her family? Naye uMacele, should anything happen, umuzi uzoya towards her family? Even though zikhona iy'ngane, they could grow up and say ukuthi no, mina ngifuna ukuba nomuzi wami, nalo omunye athi ufuna ukuba nomuzi wakhe, kusale ngabi khona ngane endlini. Then what happens there? Yebo leyo. So I think mina, whoever's panicking is just panicking for nothing. uSidlubula yena uthi no wonder uSne feels akathandwa kulo muzi. This is the reason. Hey Sana, I think this conversation between uMseleku noMpilo unintentionally exposed the fact that ngempela there are double standards depending on who we're talking about. Siyayibona leyo nto. Enye into nje mina ngiyibuke ukuthi sometimes obaba, they have this tendency yokuthi if umama wengane yakhe akamthandi or mhlawumbe bahlukana kabuhlungu or something happened nje besathandana, like lawo ma-feelings lawo are negative, automatically a-transfer kwingane, even though mhlawumbe uyayisupporta or what. But in most cases, sometimes nje ne-support iba nalokho nje ukuthi ngiyakusupporta, but like I don't want to support you because your mother did this to me, or akuphilanga kahle uma wakho refused ukungishada. Yebo leyo nto. So now it's like I'm sure lama standards lawa anawo for uSne noMpilo are gonna be different from the standards anawo for uMawande, from iy'ngane zamacele lezi ey'ncane zamantombazane. Because how can you as a father ask for a grandchild kumntana intombazane? Are you saying ukuthi then it doesn't matter noma engangashada nalowo muntu? Because obviously if eshada nalowo muntu ozomkhulelisa, obviously the father would want ukuthi ayikhulisele ingane yakhe. He wouldn't agree ukuthi ingane iyohlala kaMakhumalo. So obviously he's alluding to the fact yokuthi akube nje just a guy athandana nayo, so that lo baba, the father of the child, doesn't have that much rights enganeni yakhe, where he can say ukuthi uyanqaba nengane yakhe, ingane ikwazi ukuyokhuliswa ke uMakhumalo. Yazi mina, I feel like there's a point where uMseleku went wrong about this whole Sithembu thing. Yabo ngesikhathi ethathu number 5, he should have put ama-standards in place for umuntu ozongena, ukuthi ozongena ofuna ukuba number 5, the first child azoyizala uyizalela uMakhumalo, because automatically angithi uzoyizala leyo ngane yakamseleku angithi leyo ngane ke ikhuliswa uMakhumalo, then lezi ezilandelayo ke kube ezakhe ke lo number 5 lo. Lapho it would have been a win-win situation in the sense ukuthi he gets to do the whole process traditionally by sleeping with the number 5 to conceive leyo ngane. uMakhumalo gets her child, uMakhumalo no number 5 babambisane. Like guys, like he missed that opportunity yokuthi nje abumbanise umndeni wakhe. Make sure ukuthi before athathe number 2, make sure number 1 is good and satisfied. Before athathe number 3, make sure number 2 is good and so on and so forth. Instead of compounding inkinga over inkinga, taking another wife ungakaqedi ngalo wokuqala, engakavumi, engakahili, engaka-accept ukuthi ungene esithembini, you adding another wife without properly apologizing for ama-actions akho, you adding another problem on top of that, which is why nje it will never be isithembu se-unity nothando nokuthembana. uDuduke yena uthi, but truly speaking, the Cele family is too much, always appearing, and they talk too much. Below will eventually choose uMakhumalo over her father. uPhoshaka aphendule athi washo nobaba wakhe kwi-21st birthday yakhe. uMpilo wathi aboze abe kwi-side likaMakhumalo ngisho noma wrong ngenxa yezinto ezinhle asemenzele zona. And ke after all, noma wayengashongo njalo, uMpilo uhlaniphile. She will always be on her mother's side. Mayezwana ngempela noma wakhe uMakhumalo, which is true ngempela. And as a woman, I think futhi nanokuthi nje ukhulile kwisithembu, she's been through so much. She understands ukuthi isithembu sinzima, and she understands futhi ukuthi like ubaba wakhe indlela arizina ngayo is not favorable to the other person's feelings, thoughts, akanendaba nje. Euphoria yena uthi, why is it always that when parents feel like they are losing a battle with their spouses, they involve kids? It's mentally exhausting on the child, that thing. Guys, like I said, I do agree, because wow guys, my parents mabengakwazi ukukhuluma, they fight using ingane. Because why are you not going to your wife? Why are you telling ingane to do such a big thing instead of just fixing izinto with your wife? Wathi-ke omunye, why does he just not do i-IVF? Aphendule-ke omunye athi, uMakhe suggested it a long time ago, ubabakhe wala. Aphendule-ke uSiphindile athi, uthi it goes against his belief. I think ngichazile leyo kabanzi ukuthi yeah, it does seem like a far-fetched idea masuyibheka from a point of view yomuntu or traditionalist or polygamist, umuntu ungancingile owaziyo ukuthi he can have kids. He's been having kids before uMakhumalo came into the picture. So inkinga uyazi is not with him, it is with uMakhumalo. What's crazy is that he used that idea to get what he wanted from uMakhumalo, which was to ungenisa number 5, which mina engiyibuka as this brutal thing ongayenza nje, because he said yes to something he knew exactly ukuthi ngeke azayenze egcineni. Hi, athi uValencia, uMselebu asked Umpilo to be a surrogate, not that ayolala ngaphandle and bring umntana. No, he asked her to carry uMakhumalo's child full term in her womb. I don't support it. I was just clarifying ngoba many of you are lost. Athi uMahlako, they can hear what he's saying, Sisi. People just want anything that is too wrong from Umseleku. I think we explained ukuthi even this lenta I show you uValencia is not exactly it, because what do you mean is surrogate? Surrogates phela means ukuthi first mele kukhishwe isperm neqanda, of which Umseleku yona process angazwani nayo, so naleyo nje out, which is why sonke sicabangela ukuthi he meant ukuthi abe ne-boyfriend ezomkhulelisa, then ke ingane yakhe ke beyakamseleku. Hayi-ke uAkhona athi, this is just pure jealousy from these wives. If you have had enough of something, no one must talk you into turning the decision you have already made with valid reasons. So Musa was right when he said these ones are not going anywhere. They just wanted him to change his decision of taking a 5th wife, and I completely agree. Yay, she is leaving. She said she's leaving. I-truck ilapha egate. Because wow guys, asintshelanga we did say ukuthi she is not going anywhere. Bakithi angazi ukuthi what changed, but mina I feel like the reasons that she gave were just too weak. But mina personally, I feel like they got through to her ngesikhathi bekhuluma naye bemncenga ukuthi ahlale in the marriage, because the wives were getting houses. So now they told her ukuthi if you leave now, then you're not gonna get a house for your kids, because it did not make sense ngempela to leave Lamus eMzumbe for the kids. Gezini, like yabo nje leyo setup leyo, let's say you die and your kids are staying within proximity to the other wives in the same space, but now that they have their own houses la behlala khona, it makes it easier ukuthi ingane ikwazi ukukhula in an environment where there's love, there's support. Akekho lokho esukela la ehleli khona. No one is gonna be eshayela umthetho ngoba phela ngithi the whole thing lapha eMzumbe was the fact that ukuthi angithi olwandle noMpumelelo they are gonna take over there. So can you imagine leaving your kids in that situation and belokhu beshayela umthetho, beshayela uMpumelelo umthetho lapha? So I think that's the only thing ngicabanga, it's the house and the fact that ubonile ukuthi there's nothing out there. There is nothing out there. But mina I'm quite disappointed in her for not mentioning ingane ukuthi she's thinking about the kids. Ngoba mina bengizomrespect her even more if she said that. I wouldn't believe it, but I would respect it ngoba that's the reason most married women use to stay in marriages bengekho happy. Even though umuntu seade hambe esho ukuthi she's leaving, but then just because ufuna ukuvala lelo hlazo lokuthi she ended up staying, they say that no, ngihlalele ingane mina ngisafuni lana. I think mina would have taken that reason. But ke she's here, we knew she's here. Angazi ukuthi ubani lo ongekho happy ukuthi ukhona, because we were telling her, obviously mhlambe phela she didn't see our comments, but we did say ukuthi like stay in your marriage and mind your kids and live that life. But if you wanna leave, just leave. Ungalokhu announce ukuthi uyahamba, because now people are gonna be waiting to see ukuthi uhamba nini phela uthi uyahamba, you know, that whole thing. So I hope she learns her lesson ukuthi next time she decides to leave, she just leaves.